If you are also confused about which form you need to fill as an individual or as a company, this can help you. So just answer few questions and you will get the result as the name of the ITR form that you need to fill. So it will ask you few questionnaires, and according to your answer like yes or no, it will ask you different question, and at the end it will give you a result like which ITR form is best for you. So let's see. Are you filing as an individual? Yes. Are you a resident of India for tax purposes? Yes. Do you have an income from virtual digital assets like cryptocurrencies or NFTs? No. Do you have income from lottery, gambling, or anything exceeding about 10,000? No. Is your agriculture income exceeding 5,000? No. Is your total income for the financial year more than 50 lakhs? No. Do you have any income from business or profession? No. Do you have income from capital gains exceeding the exemption limit more than one house property? No. Do you have income only from salary, one house property, other source up to specified limit? Yes, I am a salaried guy. So I need to fill the ITR 1 form. Also, there is translation for English. So let us just choose anything. I am NRI, no. Then I will choose anything, so it will give you result. So let's also see for company or startups. Are you filing as an individual? No. In the United Family? No. Are you filing as a company? Yes. Is your company a recognized startup? No. Is your company claiming exemption under Section 11? No. You need to fill the ITR 6 form. Also, you can go back at any stage and can change your answer. And if you find anything wrong or anything like the form is not giving you proper answer, you can click on this link and you can mail me so that I can correct it. Also, the information in the questionnaires are up to budget 2023. So that's it.